Alright, so one of the biggest problems that we all have is that we have trouble adhering and sticking to new habits that we're trying to develop, especially in the realm of self-improvement and trying to develop habits or doing habits that we're uncomfortable with doing. For example, like exercising, taking cold showers, meditating, reading, doing homework. Like these are all habits that we all know that we should be doing, but we just can't bring ourselves to actually doing them. And that's because one, they're uncomfortable and they're hard to do, or two, we're just lazy. This is something that I used to struggle with a lot, and by a lot, I mean a lot. Like over the span of 2 years, I've been saying that I'm going to get consistent with working out, or I'm going to meditate for an hour a day, or I'm going to read a book a week, or I'm going to take a cold shower every single day. Like the amount of times I've said that, just for it to not come true, I can't even it's crazy the amount of times that I've said that. And also like the amount of times that I've said that I'm going to be consistent on posting on social media and how I'm going to get consistent with making videos. Like the amount of times I've said that just for it to not actually come true is crazy. And this is this is something that I'm trying to get better at, is to get consistent in the good habits. And something that I'm going to try and use is a habit tracker. And I used to be one of those people who would say that, oh, a habit tracker is false self improvement and fake productivity. And that's just because I just expected that by writing down the habit that I wanted to track, I'd automatically see the results of doing that habit. But what I came to realize is that you have to actually put the time and effort into doing those habits every single day. Because what I found my problem to be was that I had my habit tracker on my phone. All right, it was a Notion. Uh, it was this Notion template, and because it was on my phone, it was competing with all these other attention grabbing applications. So things like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and it was just that all of these apps were taking my attention away from the habit tracker. And so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be having a physical habit tracker, and I actually have it taped up on the wall, literally right next to my computer. Here, look, I'll try it and show it to you. So it's literally right here. I have everything written down. I have morning shower, Duolingo, sweat is exercise, and then outreach. So that's just like sending DMs to people, drinking water, writing 1,000 words, and practicing speaking, which is what I'm doing right now. And the reason why I have a physical habit tracker is so I never lose sight of my goal. It serves as a reminder, it serves as a deadline, and it just serves as like a sense of urgency to do a specific task every single day. And if you also want to implement this practice into your own life, like the easiest, the most no-brainer way to do it is you just grab a piece of paper like I did, and if you're completely new to habit tracking, just do three to five habits, and that's because you want to start off small so that it'll be easy to adhere to. Because if you were to write like 10, 15 different habits, let's be honest, you're not going to do them. So you actually want to just do three to five at least, and then you actually just want to put the time and effort into checking those boxes off. And what that means is to actually do them. All right, to actually take time out of your day to actually do them. Just don't be lazy, because then you're just going to be like everyone else who says that habit trackers are fake productivity, fake self improvement, things like that. And if you actually want to see the results of habit trackers, you actually have to do them. Just like with anything else in life, you can't just say that you're going to do something and expect to get the results of doing that thing. Like you actually have to put the time and effort into doing it, because you reap what you sow. If like you can't put shit effort and expect good results. You have to put good effort to get good results. Because if you put shit effort, you're just gonna get shit results. And yeah, that is everything for this video. Very short one. Links to my education platform on holistic health will be in the description, as well as my other social medias. So if that interests you, Check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.